In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add links to your TikTok bio. So once you have the TikTok app open, it's going to be on your home page, but you need to go to your profile. So you tap on that profile icon at the bottom right of the screen that says me, and then you will be on your profile. Then you see a button that says edit profile. You tap on that, and then you see at the bottom it says Instagram and YouTube. Right now you can add Instagram links to your bio and YouTube links. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my Instagram link to my bio. So you tap on Instagram, it says add Instagram to your profile. You tap on that, it's going to open up Instagram, and you want to go ahead and log in. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in my stuff right now. So I've typed in my Instagram credentials and I have logged in. So I'm just going to select not now. So now you need to authorize Instagram on your TikTok profile. So you go ahead and tap authorize. It's going to load up, and now you can see my Instagram Savage Business Tips has been added to my bio. So if I go back to my profile, you can now see a little Instagram icon next to edit profile. And if you want to go ahead and add the YouTube link, you do the same process. You just authorize your YouTube channel, and then a little YouTube icon will appear there. So that is how you add links to your TikTok bio. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.